It's a story not easily forgotten, the poop train. For months in 2017 and 18, it rolled into Jefferson County, carrying human waste from parts of New York and New Jersey. This is Deja. This time the rail yard is Deja. This time,
You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our YouTube.
this time the rail yard.
You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our
Feels like the
You're watching our human.
feels like this.
You're watching our human.
Feels like
You're watching our human. You're watching our
feels like
human.
feels like
You're watching human. You're watching it.
feels like
You're watching human. You're watching. 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 You're watching our YouTube channel called.
feels like by the summer of 2018, Big Sky Environmental vowed to stop hauling in out-of-state waste. It appeared to be a victory for people in the area. The West Jefferson resident David Brasville had his doubts. 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 Brasville.
You're watching our YouTube channel.
But Aiden said this time will be different. This time the rail yard is this time the rail yard is this time the rail yard is Brasville had his doubts. This time the rail yard is on. This time the rail yard is on. This time the rail yard is Brasville had his doubts.
You're watching our YouTube. You're watching our.
This time
You're watching watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories.
Subscribe.
State.
This time, Sky
You're watching our YouTube channel.
Sky Environmental. Feels like this is deja vu.
It happened before.
It's a great button on it.
It's chap, bro. You gotta get some chapstick and just. They have chin chap. Oh yeah, you could chin stick.
I remember
Get
that.
net sponge. Exfoliate.
Did this happen earlier?
Yeah. Yeah.
It happened before, and people have a short memory.